Hello, I'm here to do my third experiment in case tools lab. The question here is using the sequence diagram. So for using the sequence diagram, the question here is customer arrives in the checkout to pay for various items. The cashier records the barcode number for each item as well as quantity of it, which is greater than 1. And after that, the cash register displays the price of each item, and the cash register displays the total cost of the purchase. So this is the overall scenario. Let's go to the state diagram now. Sequence diagram now. So in the sequence diagram we have customer, cashier and cash register. So here for initially in customer we have this checkout, that is for checking in as the customer. So these three things are the objects: customer, cashier and the cash register. And these arrows, pointed arrows, are the stimulus which are available for indicating the processes. So first, from the customer, you have the process, which is a checkout process, which is going to the cashier. After the cashier enters the product quantity, from here the process for product quantity is being initiated. And after from the cash register, the process of calculating the total price is sent to the cashier. And after that, the next process is to display the total price. That is that comes from the cashier, and it's pointed with a stimulus of 4. And after that, from the customer, the process of paying the total price, that is using the desired method of the customer. So using the desired method of the customer. So after that, from the cashier, the process is 6, that is checking out using the suitable payment method. So after that, suitable payment method is selected, and after from the cash register, the process of displaying the amount paid and the return balance, that is amount to be paid, the amount that is the customer pays, and the balance is to be returned. And after that, in the previous process, the amount to be paid and return balance is calculated, and finally the balance is returned to the customer. So now for subdivision B, like the scenario is an organization wants to improve the information system and training process of its employees. That is a training process, and the overall scenario is for giving a training to the employees. So the diagram for it is so here's the three objects: the employee, the person in charge, and the training manager, and the processes which are given using the stimuluses. So first we have the employee. The first process is for requesting for training. So the employee requests for training, and the person in charge forwards the request to the training manager. This is the second process. Then from the training manager, the training manager acknowledges the request and sends it to person in charge, and the person in charge approves or disapproves the request based on the thing given by the training manager. And after that, the fifth process is the reply with the agreement. That is, employee replies with the agreement. And after that, the sixth process is inquires for catalog. The person in charge inquires for catalog and shows all the courses. Through him, the training manager displays all the courses, and the person in charge replies with all appropriate courses. And after that, employee informs any problem after register for any courses. He or she gives for any problem, informs about any problem in the courses. And after that, so again it's the training from the training manager process goes back to the employee, and if so any problem is there, that's a solution given by the training manager to the employee, training manager to the employee, and as well as any solutions to be needed are given from the employee to the training manager. And finally the submit attendance and report. Attendance report and attendance and report are both submitted finally. That's all. Thank you.